comparison operator. Comparison operator, we have this one is equal to, right? We have example, we have age equals to 30. Alright, we say age equals to a b, right? B. We also have not equals to, not equals to, we also have greater than. We also have less than. We have less, greater than or equals to, greater than or equals to, greater than or equals to, greater than, equal. We have less than or equals to, equal, less than or equal. So and so and so forth. We're going to be using all these things in our operators in our work as soon as possible. We said we have a comparison operator. A comparative operator is equals to, not equals to, greater than, less than, greater than or equals to, less than or equals to. We also have the logical operator and or not. If ox less than 5 and ox greater than 25 means both conditions must be true. Condition 1 is this, ox less than 5. Condition 2 is ox less than 25. If both are true to perform, if both are true, then it will allow you to perform the operation. Now, if ox is less than 5 or less than 25, one of the conditions must be true. Not is another logical operator. We say is not means reverse the result, return false if the result is true.